I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Figma token step by step. First, log into your Figma account, open Account Settings, and find the Personal Access Tokens section. Click to create a new token, give it a clear name that matches its use, and copy the token to a secure manager right away. Avoid pasting tokens into public chat or repositories, and treat tokens like passwords for your design data. When creating a token, choose a descriptive name that captures its purpose so you can audit usage later. Select only the scopes you need to limit exposure and follow the principle of least privilege. Copy the token immediately since Figma will not reveal it again, and paste it into a secure password manager or secret store. Confirm the token works by making a simple API request to fetch your file list or profile data. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps me make more content. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated while coding, and I love the water bottle seen here because it fits in cup holders and keeps drinks cold. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider grabbing one if you work at a desk for long periods. Now let's get back to the video. Use tokens in environment variables or secret managers to avoid accidental exposure in code or logs. For CI systems, inject tokens at runtime and restrict who can view the build configuration. Regularly rotate tokens and revoke ones tied to old projects or developers who no longer need access. Monitor API usage and alerts to detect suspicious activity, and document token ownership so teams know who to contact about access issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.